Hey guys, Dallas here from Dunn Watson, just showing you our swivel camp chairs. These are a great compact chair, so this is the bag it comes in, not a lot of space. So if you're someone that has to transport a couple of chairs for the whole family, something like this might be a good solution versus your traditional chairs, just given the little footprint that they're going to have in your storage area of your vehicle or your caravan. So that's the bag that it comes with. You're going to get your grab handle, you're going to get a shoulder strap. You do get a little instruction sheet as well. I'll just run it through with you now. Chairs will come with a cup holder. So when you pull it out of your bag, it's going to look something like this. You're just going to release that Velcro strap. Now what you do is you just want all these arms in a downward trajectory, because as we stretch them out, they're not going to expand otherwise. So it's all based on telescopic arms, and these pins will click out. So you do the front two, and they're going to click. And when you do the back two, you want to do the first one first, because it's not under tension. Then you're going to do the second one like so. So you just set up the legs, obviously swivel chairs, the name would suggest, so it's going to be great in those camp settings around the fire with a group of mates. You're able to engage in multiple conversations with that flexibility of swiveling around. You've got a little pillow in the back there, very comfortable chair, very lightweight and easy to operate. As I said, there's your cup holder, which just slots into that track. When it comes to put it away, you're just going to reverse the same thing, so nice and simple. You just press on that pin there, this one there, to start bringing it down, like so. And then on this side, you're going to do the same again. You're just going to push these in. So what you want to do is you want these legs to be opposite these. So you'll see when you try to collapse it, in this swivel state, if it's like this, it's not going to retract because this leg is colliding with this. So you just turn them that they're diagonal from each other. And what that's going to allow you to do is just retract all of these up like so. And then when you get your Velcro strap, you're going to do that. Can be a little bit tricky squeezing it into the bag. Just strap out like so. Put your cup holder back in there. You go to retract it. Sometimes you just need to squeeze at it from the sides. It's a bit silly on video, but I find when I put it between my legs, they're able to come together nice and easy. And as I said, very small, so a couple of these in your car certainly aren't going to take up as much space as other chairs on the market. So it might be a great solution for you. If you have any questions, give us a call or flick us an email.